How to change a password in Whatnot app. Well, it's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. Start by moving into your application Whatnot. Enter your login credentials and make sure that you are logged into your specific account. Once you have been logged into your account, now once again, head over to Account section at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tons of different options will be visible to you. Scroll down and you'll see the option of Change an email address or change password. Simply move into Change Password. Now wait for a while for it to load. It will land you on the space where you'll be able to change your password. In order to do so, enter the current password that you are using and then create a new one. After that, re-enter the new password and then tap on Change Password. After that, the password of your account will be changed successfully and then you'll be good to go. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.